Those were the voice of youth at the Kisi dump site at the east part of Freetown. In recent years, the youth of Sierra Leone have taken to the use of synthetic drug called kush. It is popularly known to be a variety of marijuana, which a lot of young folks smoke nowadays. As they say, it makes them feel good and sadly leaves them not to be conscious of who they are. Even though kush is a drug labeled as not meant for human consumption, humans, particularly young folks, have unfortunately made it their food, which has their repercussions. Youth at Kisi dump site explain the effect of kush it have on them. They say it is a temporary solution to the economic challenge.
I don't dip now. 4 years now.
I have been into this for 4 years now. My life has deteriorated. I was a very neat guy while growing up, and they called me Cisco. Since I entered this game, I have been seeing myself as unserious and lawless in my community. But again, I have seen it as something that is taking my life backwards.
I see myself like me not to show back us again at the community.
I was a worker at the same time riding keke and bike. Since kush entered our country, it started destroying our lives.
As part of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, strides towards tackling and preventing against the abuse of illicit drug like kush that is increasingly becoming a problem in the country. The Director, Drugs Prevention Education and Training of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, Ibrahim Samir Duba, explained the motive behind the sensitization.
So we are out here today at Mome community for the East to ensure that we are able to meet with the direct victims, those who are actually languishing. And he's doing it out of sympathy. He's doing it because he's compassionate for the least level Sierra Leonean. And he wants to see a better Sierra Leone free from drug abuse, which is one of the mandates of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, to ensure that Sierra Leone has a healthy, a wealthy nation free from substance and harm abuse for the citizens of this country.
Sierra Leone youth have had to grapple with many illegal substances, and kush, for close to 2 years now, is one of which is ravaging the lives of those who misuse the drug, leaving them with extreme bodily wounds, scattered minds, and sadly unaware of who they are and what they do. Aisha Edmond Fona, AYV News, Freetown.